How to easily change the quality and resolution of a blurred, low quality and dark image for free. You will see in the video the before and after image that you will get by doing this tutorial. Let's start. Open your Play Store. Search for Rimini. In search results, click Rimini. Then click Install. Wait for the download and installation to finish. When done, open Rimini. If there is an ad, just wait for it to finish. Then, click Exit to close the ad. Next, click Close again to proceed. Select the image that you wanted to change the resolution and quality. When done, click on Enhance Watch an Ad. Just wait for the ad to finish. Then, click Exit again to close the ad. Next, drag the vertical white line to the left to enhance your photo. When done, click Download. Then click Save Watch an Ad. Wait for the ad to finish again. Then click Exit to close the ad. Your image will be saved in your gallery folder. Next, open your file manager and go to Images. As you can see, the image that I just enhanced using Rimini is absolutely good looking right now. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for future updates. If you have a question, just leave a comment below. Thank you.